this is Liquid Ocelot, and I am here once again back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about how to get support for GSuite for administrators and user and perspective part 2. So in part 1 of the video, if you haven't watched, I talked about the Google Cloud software called GSuite, and GSuite is a cloud application from Google. It gives you Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Meet for business purposes in an isolated environment, and it's a paid service. So I have put the link in the description box for you guys to check it out. Now the thing is that I want to show you guys how to get support for GSuite for administrators and user end perspective. In part 2 of this video tutorial for GSuite, I am going to visit to Twitter. The handle is GSuite. So here you can easily find this platform that Twitter is providing you for GSuite, and you can ask any questions. If you are an administrator or a end user, you can ask a question. So let's try something, guys. I'm going to show you step by step, because if you are having any sort of issue, you can get it resolved for your GSuite platform. Now all you have to do is write tweet, and GSuite is here, and maybe I should write I need to get a is there a trial version available for GSuite? Help. This is the tweet that I wrote to GSuite, and they will respond to me. Now the tweet I have already written, let's see if they are good in responding to answers or not. On 18th of March, today is 24th, on 23rd of March, somebody wrote, at GSuite, my district is experimenting with remote learning via Google Meet. Is there a way to prevent other users from stopping the recording once it started? So they got a response from GSuite. Hi Dwight, thank you for reaching out. You can record if you are the meeting organizer or in the same organization as that person. Also, teachers can record when signed into their GSuite account. Students cannot record. Hope this helps. So this is a full thread, and then he asks another question and GSuite responds. This is a very good platform, Twitter, where you can get help and support for GSuite for both administrators and end users. I hope you liked and enjoyed this GSuite tutorial part 2. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'll be signing off. Take care.